The following message is transmitted at the request of the Spruce Pine Police Department, people with no voice, people with Tourette's, and that bird on fire. The Spruce Pine Police Department is urging all citizens to be on the lookout for a sentient ball of clay driving various sports cars throughout the city. This piece of uncooked pottery has run over many civilians in its way, but if I'm going to be honest, this makes great population control. What I want to know is, how much money does it have, and can I have some? Also, there are flying weather radios behind the car, apparently having the same speed no matter what. What kind of illegal substances has Phoenix been taking again? Can I have some? What in the absolute hell is even going on lately? Why do I continue to do this job when this is incredibly inaccurate? If you see this ball, toss it in a furnace or something. Maybe it'll make for a nice pot, and not the one you smoke. Okay, maybe the one you smoke. Meanwhile, I'm going to poison this bird because it won't stay down. It's racing time, comrades.